So I'm kind of stuck at home again. I'm waiting on another package to come, and it's got to be signed for. So I'm kind of stuck here again. It tends to be the thing right now, and it's not even Christmas presents that's coming. So anyways, I'm going to get in the shower, and I've got to get out to the chickens. It's still early in the morning. I think it's about 8, so I really need to get up and get on it. And then I've got to film another video. It's the collaboration video, so I got to film that today. And really kind of just cleaning up the house from pit stopping all weekend. And that's about what we're doing today. I know these aren't extremely exciting, but everyday life isn't exciting all the time. It's probably... Right now, it's crunch time for this baby coming, so we have got to just get everything done, and it's kind of taking most of our time. I will try to go get some footage of... I know they've got the floors down. They're repairing one spot by the sliding glass doors. If this package comes early enough, I'll get over there and get some footage of that. They've done a really quick job of it, which is good because we're in crunch time. Like I said, there's only a couple more weeks and she's having a baby. And I'd like to get them at least a little bit settled. So I'm just going to jump in the shower and get on with the day. Now we're going to go check out the chickens. The package just came, so we will be able to get to the trailer to see what they've gotten done. I know they're almost done. And we should be moving her today or tomorrow, or Wednesday or Thursday. It's probably when we're going to be moving her up there. And then we're done moving people. It's been a little bit of a tiring week and kind of got a lot of behind on the vlogs and actually taped quite a bit of that one day upside down. So I have a film on a camcorder, and the little screen, if you just move it slightly too much, just a little, it's going to film everything upside down. So, learning lesson, I suppose. Don't move the screen. And now to the chickens. Gotta get this water hose picked up and changed. All right, let's let them out. Come on, girls. Come on. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Hey, let's fluff its butt. Arr. Fluff your butt, fluff your butt. There you go. Hi, S'mores. Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi. And there is Miss Broody. She'll get up eventually because I'll get under her. Hello. Good morning. All right, well, let's leave her alone. Babies are doing good. They want to come out, but I'm so scared after that hawk got the last one. I'm not ready to let them. I'm not ready to let them free range with the other chickens. Not yet. They're getting quite big though. So they're close. Hi, Popeye. Hi. All right, let's get them some water. I got under Miss Broody, and she had cracked one of the eggs, so we've got 4, but they do definitely need cleaned up. She hasn't come out yet, but she'll be out in a little bit, I'm sure. Tried to tell her just to go live her life. These aren't going to be babies, but I don't think she's listening. Off the porch, ladies, off the porch. And I've got this old door that came off of an old chicken coop. And I've got a great project idea for that. And I've got everything. It's just finding the time. I'm back inside, and the chickens are all taken care of. It is cold. Yesterday, it was almost 60 degrees. It was rainy, but it was warm. And today, we woke up, and it was 23 degrees. And that's cold. I am not a person that likes to wear coats very often. Actually, I don't like to wear coats at all. And the cold weather makes me just want to stay inside and not do anything. But you got to take care of the animals. But I still don't like to wear a coat. I wish it was just 50 to 75 all year round. I'd be fine with that. Well, 60. We'll go 60 to 75. Because I don't really like it really hot, and I don't like it really cold. I just want perfect temperatures. In a perfect world, that would be great. And last week we were watering all the plants and dusting them off, and I thought that one was going to bloom. These are my geraniums that I pulled out of my front flower bed, and I was going to winter them in the house. And I really wasn't sure if it was going to do okay. It's the first time I've actually ever tried to overwinter them. I know that you can. But look. It bloomed this morning. And it's got a few more little blooms that's going to come out on every one of them. And then this one up here. Where's it at? There it is. This one up here is about to bloom. Oh, it's going to be so pretty. And it's doing really good in this window. I was surprised because it needs a lot of sunlight. It's been a little cloudy for the last couple of days. But I have a bloom. Aren't they so sweet? I'm so excited. These are going to be beautiful by springtime. They're going to be so full and healthy. We're going to be on our road to the trailer and going to go get an update and see how far along they've gotten. I know they've gotten pretty far, so it's probably going to look a lot different. I can't wait to see it. I'm so excited. So yeah, we're on our way. Is there you're gonna do?
Go to the top.
You ain't putting glue down?
Forgot to go on with. No, I did.
Oh, no, our cabinets are like that.
No.
Hey.
Go ahead.
Oh,
Go ahead.
I'm getting flush in there.
well, you can put a piece in there, I guess.
I thought that.
Why'd you let him do that?
I wasn't babysitting.
Well, it's Kim's fault.
Mine.
Executive.
Hey everyone, I was upstairs getting dressed and I looked out my window and there was all these crazy big birds. I'm not sure what they are. I'm not getting that close. They might be turkeys, they could be vultures. So I'm not sure. I think they're vultures. But there's a ton of them. And I'll let you see them right now. You see all of those? I think they're vultures. I'm not trying to get too close. I don't know what. I guess something's dead out there. I mean, they're everywhere. Yeah, those are vultures. I don't know what it is, and I'm not going to go out there and find out. That's crazy. I've never seen that many probably in one spot. That's nuts. And my chickens are out, but they're vultures, so I think it's okay. Look at them, they're crazy. There's so many of them. I don't know what is dead out there. Something. I may investigate later, but I'm not going out there with all them birds. Freak me out. There's another one just landing. I don't know. Isn't that crazy? There are so many birds out there. And they're just kind of walking around. I'm not really... Maybe there's one eating, but I'm not really sure what's going on and why they're all in that field. And they're really close to the house. And like all my chickens just went in the chicken coop. I don't know if they're scared or not. They might be. But that's where they're at. I don't know. It's crazy. Wow. Okay. That's excitement right now. I'm not sure what we're doing too much today. Today is Thursday, and I'm going to go check on the trailer. It's probably about ready, and try to maybe move some of her in. I need to go to the grocery store. Nothing really major, but I think I am going to go and pick some salad and stuff, or some lettuce and carrots, and make a salad for lunch. It sounds really good, so I'll be doing that in a little bit. But these birds are just crazy. Okay, on with the day. chickens just came out, so I think some of the birds have flown away. There's not so many over there now. But the chickens just came out. So I guess they feel safe now. They're in the garden. All right. Everything's fine. What a beautiful sunset tonight. It's supposed to be a full moon. It is just gorgeous out here. Wow.